In the hustle and bustle of today's world, staying organized and efficient is key, especially when selling your own property. The good news? Tools like Gmail can make the process more streamlined and organized. Begin by setting up a separate email address for your property, creating a dedicated space for all related correspondences. But it doesn't stop there. Google Voice is another fantastic tool that can help you keep all your communications in one place. By setting up a dedicated phone number, you can keep your personal communications separate while still being accessible to potential buyers. Both Gmail and Google Voice are easy to use and set up, making them perfect for ensuring your home selling process is organized and hassle-free. Remember, in this digital age, using the right tools can make a world of difference. And who knows, your perfect buyer could be just an email or a call away, all thanks to the power of Google. Use these tools wisely and turn your for sale by owner journey into a breeze.